Hi there and welcome to Hyundai Power Products. My name is Adrian and today we're going to clarify the starting procedure on your 5200X derivative product. So we do several products all with the suffix 5200X. That might be a multi-tool, pole saw, hedge trimmers, those sorts of things. They all use the same starting procedure and I'm going to take you through it and clarify how easiest to start it. So the first thing we're going to need to do is to put fuel in the machine. Now it uses a 40:1 mixture of two-stroke oil and fresh unleaded petrol. We've got a separate video on how to do that and we'll put it in the top corner here, somewhere like that. So I would remove the fuel cap, obviously do this in a well-ventilated area and with a cold engine. So I can remove this cap just to show you. So we'll fit it up to within about 20 mil of the top of the neck with the 40:1 two-stroke fuel and oil mix, as I said. I'll just, turning clockwise, replace the fuel cap, being careful not to cross-thread it. And screw it down, make sure it's tight. So that would be fuel in the machine, but I'm not going to put it in here because we are in the studio indoors and not in a well-ventilated area. So fairly obvious, on the handle here we have the on-off switch. Back towards the engine is switched on, forward is to switch it off. So when we finish using it, we simply let go of the throttle, let it go to idle, and then switch off. So we're going to need, first of all, to pull this switch back to switch it on. So various models over various years, this choke lever mechanism has changed somewhat, and that's why I'm clarifying today. So when the engine is running, this would be down. It's a choke lever. If I push the choke lever up, that is the choked position or the start position for starting the engine. So what I would do now is pull the recoil. It may take 2 or 3 times. If I hear it attempt to start, I could turn this choke off, pull one more time and it would start up. Quite often with a choke on, it will actually start. So leave it for a second or two and then turn the choke off into the run position. So down. So when the engine's running as normal and it's started, it would be in the down position. Again, if you stop the machine for whatever reason, we're only leaving it a minute or two before starting it, we could probably leave the choke down in the off position. So to start the engine, choke up. Once it's started, choke down. Once the choke is down or in the off position, not choked, the engine will run sweetly and it will react to the throttle. Okay, when we want to stop the engine, we let go of the throttle, let it drop down to an idle speed and then switch off. Well, there we are. That's how to start your 5200X type machine. Well, I do hope you found this demonstration useful. For more information on this or any of our other products, visit www.hyundaipowerproducts.co.uk. I've been Adrian, and thanks for watching.